Hello， 你好，我是 Chris。3天前的内容我快速跳过一次给你看啊。我们每次都很强调就是要 recap 就是去 recapture all the essence， 去全部去 review 之前的这样子的内容，你才可以真正的记忆，才可以真的记得啊。So recap those previous 3 days. First day, this is the the opening introduction of what they're gonna do. Second day, progress checklist, what they have done. This continued on to the third day. Still checks going on here. The third check goes on. Suggestions and recommendations as follows, which is today. Now it says, let me go through the short little passage first. Overheating issues has been 空格 2 consecutive blanks. This is challenging. Over the 3 previous checks. 过去3个检测啊，都有这个过热的议题啊。And a thorough rundown of the problem. 彻底的就叫 thorough. Rundown 就是整个样子的一步一步走下来的内容啊。Found that the cause seems to be 找到起因了 cause 最重要 right? You have to solve, like if you say I'm not improving on my English, work on your cause. What is causing it? You know, 你可以去买一台 grand piano 那种表演级的钢琴 You can get yourself a tuxedo 去把自己买一个燕尾服 You can do everything and then get seated in front of the piano asking thousands of visitors to look at you perform.But if you don't practice, you can never play out the song, right? 你可以去买钢琴，可以去请人来看你的表演，可以去买好你的燕尾服。You can do anything， 可以把演唱厅租下来。但是你不 practice piano, how do you expect to play, right? So， 如果你要做一个 thorough inspection of yourself, Chris 觉得80%的状况都是例行，他们说你需要一个 ritual 就是一个仪式。每天的仪式是什么 ？Chris 每天的仪式就是去运动，然后去上课，然后你有每个时段要做每个事情，然后有特定时段我要处理我的线上的内容，有特定时段我要去 follow up 我的讲义，有特定时段我要把我的书的内容去修改好。未来我们会有 practice 的这个书本会上市啊。So 每个时段都有每个时段固定事情。Make sure you do a thorough rundown of your own routine.Found that the cause seems to be due to a change in the 什么什么，两个空格在一起啊 ，causing little airflow 导致少的这个空气流 ，little 就是少到几乎没有 ，a little 还有一点点哦 ，little 没有就是少到几乎没有的空气流 around the machine 在机器四周，难怪会散热不足，难怪会过热状况。4个单字 positioning 叫位置，第2个单字 diagnosed 这个动词啊 diagnosed 这个动词叫做诊断啊，它的名词 diagnosis。第3个单字 vent 叫做出口 ，air vent 就是这种空气的出口。如果就是你有天窗啊或什么的话，这种 air vent 就可以让你的 air 可以 circulate。第4个单字 repeatedly ly 结尾是副词，它要修饰动词。你试着把这4个单字放进去，如果这个 paragraph 太长的话 ，don't worry， 打这4个单字出来。我们的 RED 已经快要到一个段落了，所以还没有练习的同学，赶快练习。先不预告一下下阶段，但是下阶段一定是精彩。Alright, see you in the comments. Bye bye.